Welcome to today's video, where we're breaking down how image recognition works, one of the most fascinating applications of modern artificial intelligence. So what exactly is image recognition? At its core, it's the ability of a computer to identify and classify objects, people, text, or scenes within a digital image, mimicking what the human eye and brain do naturally. It all starts with data. Image recognition systems are trained on massive datasets containing millions of labeled images. The system learns by example, seeing thousands of pictures of cats, for instance, until it understands what makes a cat a cat. The engine behind this process is called a convolutional neural network, or CNN. Think of it as a series of filters layered on top of each other. The first layers detect simple features like edges and colors. Deeper layers combine those features to recognize shapes, textures, and eventually entire objects. This process is called deep learning, a subset of machine learning where the network adjusts its internal settings, called weights, each time it makes a mistake, gradually improving its accuracy. Once trained, when a new image is fed into the system, it passes through all those layers and produces a confidence score, essentially saying, "I'm 94% sure this is a dog." Today, image recognition powers facial recognition on your phone, self-driving cars detecting pedestrians, medical imaging identifying tumors, and even retail systems tracking inventory, all in real time. Modern models like vision transformers, introduced around 2020 and continuously improved through 2024, have pushed accuracy beyond human-level performance on several benchmark tasks. The technology isn't perfect. It can still struggle with unusual lighting, bias in training data, and adversarial images designed to fool it, but it's evolving rapidly. And that's how image recognition works, from raw pixels to intelligent understanding, powered by layers of mathematics and mountains of data. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.